Alright guys, so what you see behind me is our pontoon, and we get a lot of enjoyment out of it. But we have to go through boat covers pretty often. They dry rot, they're out in the sun, they fall apart. And then I resort to a tarp, and the tarp does not do good. It just turns into a little pool. So, common problems, common solutions. So to remedy our problem, my beautiful wife bought me a carport. And you got 4 boxes, and today we're gonna start putting it together. All right, now we're gonna get started with our base frame. We're gonna use parts J, I, and K. We're gonna assemble both the bottom rails. We'll get started on that.
Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Alright, now that we have all of our frame rails screwed together, what you're going to do is you're going to get your extension pieces. Now the instructions don't tell you that, so if you go ahead and follow them, then you're going to miss that part. So grab your extensions, go ahead and put those on, and then you can go to your front and your rear vertical rail.
Every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good
Screw
day.
these in place, and then we'll go up.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, yo. Like, you always gotta.
Now I went ahead and set up one in the back, but you will need a ladder for the rest of the build, so go ahead and set the front too. From what I can tell, the only difference between the front and the middle team is that they have the logo on the front and the rear. You know, Randy Branson. I wouldn't say it's possible to do this by yourself. A helper probably would be a good idea.
Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gonna ride the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4,
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Now we gotta put some screws in it. Let's jump over that, and then I'll pick you up. And let's go. I know I said I was gonna go ahead and screw the ones on the top together, but I struggled really bad the first go around. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and set all of our pieces in. That way we can kind of flex it, maneuver it. Then we'll go back and hit it with those screws. So we'll try that.
Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never know.
Okay. More mistakes were made. But it's up there, so now we can actually start assembling the screws.
Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder.
Now that all of our screws are in, we're gonna go ahead and check square. We do that by measuring from one corner to the other, and then making sure it matches from the other opposite corner to the opposite corner. Go ahead and do that now.
Who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
All right, so now we're going to the roof. We've got two different size panels. You got your long panels and you got your short panels. The ends are gonna be your long panels. I got neighbors. They don't respect video lines. I don't understand. But you're gonna have 10 inches overhang on the front and the rear. So you start with your long panels, you put your screws down, you put a piece of double-sided tape between, and then you'll just keep that trim going all the way out. Let's go ahead and get that going. Also, don't try this at home. A truck is not a preferred ladder. But I don't have a preferred ladder and I'm not patient. So.
These fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they don't let me down. I always fought just to win the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the...
All right, now we got this completed carport. We only need one more thing.
Play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy.